Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will review the Ladped LP80 electric scooter. It is available on the Ladped website for $220. Let's see how this entry-level electric scooter performs. So let's start this video with the unboxing. I think we are having a great start as the scooter came already pre-assembled. You just have to adjust the handle and connect it with some screws, and that's it. Tuck the wire into the pipe and align the screw holes. There are 2 holes at the front and 2 holes at the back of this pipe. Pull the handle all the way up and lock it into position with the lever. We are almost done here. We just have to tighten the screws at the back and front of this pipe. It only took few minutes to assemble the scooter. The charging port is under the deck. The charging cable is long enough to conveniently charge the scooter. The red light on the charger will turn green upon full charging. You can also see the charging level on the LCD of the scooter. This scooter also has overcharge protection. Before diving deep into the review, I would like to point out the specifications of this electric scooter in a brief manner. The motor is a 350 watt, the battery is 10 amperes, the default max speed is 15 miles, the range is 19 miles, tire size is 8.5, the maximum load capacity is 264 pounds, the weight of the scooty is 26.4 pounds, and the charging time is 4 to 5 hours. The build quality seems very good. The mudguards are made of metal. The combination of grey, black, and a little bit of red really make the scooter look techy and modern. It has 8.5-inch honeycomb wheels. It has a 350 watt motor in the front wheel, and in the rear wheel it has a drum brake. It has a red taillight which flashes when you apply the brakes, and at the front it has an LED headlight. The handles are of grey color. They are made from soft rubber material. They are very comfortable to hold. The brake handle is made of metal. It also has a bell. There is an display screen on the handle. You can look at the speed of the scooty. You can see the charging level. You can adjust the speed modes, and you can see if the light is on or off. It also can be used for troubleshooting. This is the first ride of the scooty. It is in eco mode or economy mode. It will not go above a certain speed. The ride of the scooty is a bit bumpy because the lack of shocks, but I think you will get used to it after some time. I guess for keeping costs low, Ladped decided not to opt for a suspension system for this entry-level scooty. Actually, It feels good when you're driving on a plain road. You will not feel bumps too much. This long beep indicates that the scooter is now in cruise mode. Now I will ride this scooter in full speed mode or S mode. In this mode, the scooter will reach 15.5 miles, but actually when I was riding, it reached about 18 to 19 miles per hour. In this mode, the scooter goes full speed. I applied the brakes at full speed and the brakes worked good and they brought the scooter to a full stop. I am really impressed by the acceleration of this small electric scooter. It is effortlessly cruising at 18 miles per hour right now. In the start, I was not expecting too much from this scooter. I am around 180 pounds and 6 feet tall, and this scooter doesn't feel sluggish. It doesn't feel like it's having to try too much. Most entry-level scooters are small, and the size of this scooter is reasonable. For storage or carrying your scooter around in your car, you can just fold it within 3 seconds. This electric scooter can perform without the app, but if you want to use the app, you can download the app from Tuya. You have to turn on the Bluetooth of your phone and your phone will detect the electric scooter. You can adjust the riding modes, you can turn on the light, you can see the location, you can see the speed, the range, how many miles your scooter has driven, things like that. You can also lock and unlock your scooter with the help of this app. You can set the speed limits of different modes, and you can also see the running temperature and more information about this scooter in this app. My conclusion for this scooter is that it is a good entry-level scooter. The only downside is it's not having a suspension. So if you stay away from bumpy roads and rough tracks, this scooter will perform good. And this was all about today's review of the Ladped LP80. If this video was helpful for you, a like will be really appreciated. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, have a good one.